Okay, I think we'll make a short video of Sandersville. The 18th of October 2022, about 10 after 9, low to mid 40s. Let's say on our way south to at least, hopefully, if the van holds out and we don't have problems, the Rodman Dam and the reservoir down there. I can't pronounce that river yet. There's talk of breaching the dam and letting the river go back wild. Here's your little of the Sandersville courthouse. Around the block here. City Hall. We're going to turn and let you get the courthouse right here. This side of the courthouse. Little street with street lights. I bet that'd be a good night video right there. Very good night video. Okay, we're trying to keep these a little bit shorter today, so let's go ahead and turn this one off. I'm going to start uploading it to YouTube, trying to go ahead and get it on instead of waiting 3 or 4 days to get it uploaded. Wrightsville 19 to Neil 4. To Neil, I'm not